Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 11 of building the Batmobile. We're continuing with the engine build on this. We're building the other side of the engine. After looking at, it's got to be the Riddler in it. Yeah, Riddler Day. I quite like the Riddler. The Joker just seemed a bit, yeah, the Riddler at least has got a definite theme. So yeah, I quite enjoyed the Riddler as a villain. Read all about him. Look at the comic issue as well. Oh, over a single page, better. I think that's a single page. A bit thick for a single page. Page number 7, page number 9. It is indeed a single page. There we go. The Joker there with lots of money. And onto the build. So yes, we're continuing the other side of the engine. More tube to fit. A bracket to make up and attach and fix things onto there. And then fit that onto the other side. So we'll get it all together into one bit. So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get to it. So we've got the parts from last time all assembled. This time we've got the other half. But first of all, we're going to make up this little bracket piece. Get it the right way round. Goes on there, and that goes on there. Got a great fun with these bits, aren't I? Let's try that again. So that's there, that's there, that's there, and that is there. Should just pop together in and a hole. There you go. That's that in there, and then an AM screw will hold those together properly. One of them, small C screwdriver. Come apart again. That together. Not like that, but we will get it together properly in the end. Gonna have to get better at seeing to do that bit. Then we've got that to attach onto here and that to attach onto there as well. And then we'll see what happens next. Let's have a look. Right, that's that attached onto there. The other bit just pushes in place down the bottom there, like that. I've dug out from an old issue the oil pan, which is going to go onto there, like so. Yeah, just like that, with two of these screws. There, just like that. That will go in there. Still lots more to do. Lots of fiddly stuff on these. From doing, not very much for a couple of issues. All of a sudden doing all the fiddly tubes and stuff. What a change. I don't particularly like doing the fiddly tubes and stuff, especially at the moment. I'm not seeing as well as I should be. So things aren't as easy as they should be. We connect the other end of this tube, this hose. See a little bit of what I'm doing. Onto the post on that bit that we just plugged in. Just go on the end there. Bit like that. That's quite cool. I like that. And then we need to play around with the other bits. We've got the tube that we've just got. Goes onto here. That, and that bit goes onto the bottom. It will only go one way round. Flat side on there. That bit goes together like that. Then where does this fit? That fits onto side of that. I just push bits into there. That's got to go there. That's got to go there. About there, I believe. Yep. Goes onto that hole. And the last bit goes into that hole. Again, have we got no flat side or anything on that? And goes on there. Just assembled. No screw to hold that in place. It looked like there should be a screw to hold that in place, but there isn't, at least at the moment. Which is on quite nice anyway. So there we go. There we have another side of the engine completed. We're actually not installing this onto the other bit quite yet, but you know where it's going to go. It's going to go on there like that, isn't it? Coming together. I quite like it. I'm not really one for the engines. I'm going to glue that bit in place on the other side because it keeps coming loose. Not really one for the engines, but I do quite like it when they come together quite nicely like this one does. So that is that. Another issue done. Join me soon for the next one. And I hope you're having fun. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.